Hey everybody, welcome back to Drift and Dreams Fabrication. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Sadly, I got some bad news for you. We lost a ton of footage. All the footage that we lost was me doing Bondo work, primer, sanding, everything in between from prepping it to that stage to painting it. So we lost majority of the video, but with all the painting that got done, and all the footage there. It'll be short, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. I tried putting in some clips that will show you what I did, but if I wasn't able to bring you through the process to show you everything that I did. So sadly, that's our bad news for this video. And it also happened with my motor build video as well. But you can see she's off the stands. And I will be posting that video too. I don't know which one I'm posting first because I got to figure out all the footage that I lost for that video. So yeah, you guys enjoy what we have. And it sucks to suck, but it just happens. Technology works that way sometimes, but you look up, keep going, keep grinding, get it done. You guys enjoy it. Stay posted, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drift and Dreams Fabrication. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Last episode, we ripped the heart and the brain out of the E36, which was super exciting. I'm glad to finally be making a lot of progress going on, and we did that in 4 hours yesterday, which was, you know, quick, but I didn't think we were gonna get it done that quick. I thought we were gonna be going all night, but BMW makes it super simple. You can just disconnect the engine harness from the actual block of fuses, I guess. But so now we're gonna drop it down, we're gonna take it outside, and we're gonna clean up this mess. So I'll show you guys, look at this. Look at how dirty and nasty this thing is. So you guys are gonna join along, and we're gonna take her outside and clean her on up. Y'all enjoy.
Cê é louco, meu Deus.
Well, all right, everybody, we're at the point where we're ready to paint the car. So we got a little paint booth set up. Super awesome. We got our lights in here. Filming set up. We're ready. So we're gonna mix up the paint real quick and then we'll be right back here with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode of the painting of the engine bay. I had a lot of fun doing it. It was a long process of doing it. I think I maybe spent maybe 3 weeks on it. I mean, I painted it in one day, but all the Bondo work and all the sanding, and sucks I lost all that footage for you guys. I don't know what happened. It just vanished. But it was a lot of work, and like, I got rid of some really heavy body lines. I mean, nothing that you would notice now that it's painted, but if you saw the process of what I did, you'd understand. But no, it turned out fantastic. I'm excited about it. If people hate on it, whatever, screw them. It's not their car. They didn't put in the work. So I like it. All that matters. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Leave any comments, questions, tips, concerns. Just put them all in the comments. Follow me on my socials. And we seem to be making great headway on the car, which I'm going to leave this little teaser at the end. But we got the motor sitting in it. It looks fantastic. Thing's freaking massive. So yeah, now it's on to headers, transmission plate, and oil pan. Then I got to finish out the cooling system, got to hook up the wire harness, and then do the fuel system as well. And then maybe we'll be able to do a first start, which that's the scariest part of everything, especially on building a motor. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment, post. Turn on them post notifications, and y'all stay posted on it.